Well, we're keeping an eye on some severe weather concerns later this week. Not necessarily an extensive severe weather threat, but we are going to be watching that. There is a elevated and, of course, a critical fire weather threat today, but tomorrow it turns into an extreme fire weather concern out near the Four Corners region, and that's where temperatures will be warmer, and that's where it will be windier. Now, yesterday we actually had some 90s show up in the panhandle of Texas. We made it to a record in Amarillo of 93 in Lubbock, so temperatures very mild in these particular areas. We're a good 15 to almost 20 degrees above average. We still have some red flag warnings, fire weather watches, and this is in advance of a storm system moving into the western U.S. So, as I mentioned, elevated and critical fire weather concerns today in red from Kansas to Oklahoma. That's where the greatest fire weather concerns will be found. For tomorrow, or for today rather, we do have some 30 to 40 plus mile per hour winds, and then some wind advisory showing up from Kansas down to Oklahoma City as well. As we get into our Thursday, winds will still be breezy, 30 plus mile per hour winds along the front range of the Rockies, maybe even a little stronger. That's where we have the extreme fire weather concerns from parts of New Mexico into Arizona. And then again, that severe weather threat will be building over the next few days. Actually, Friday, it's a slight risk over far west Texas, and then a highlighted risk out near the Panhandle on Saturday. Up until then, actually looks pretty dry, kind of cool as well as you get closer to the middle Mississippi Valley, but farther west you get, that's where the rain will be found.